class, today we will be talking about one of the biggest problems that California passed through. Is the water management droughts that get worse with it as the temperature increases and the struggle to manage clean water. As we can see in the map, the regions with extreme droughts or severe droughts have changed in 3 years, but still we have different problematics as water management in the state. The different problematics in the state had taken initiatives to solve this problem, leading to different executive orders in the past 3 years, according to the state water executive orders regarding to water. Some of the impacts of droughts are especially in Californian farms, which uses 80% of water for agricultural purposes. As temperature rises and droughts continue to happen, farmers need to spend extra money to pump water up the ground. And this not only impacts the cost of productions, but it also can mean losing the approximately 7,000 jobs in the agricultural sector in the state. As we can see in the graph, agriculture purposes a lot of the water. And for example, since we live in an agricultural county, in fact, technically, the Imperial Valley doesn't affect as much as the California droughts, but it does to the Colorado River. Since mostly of the Imperial Valley water gets drawn from the Colorado River and just the Imperial Valley as an agriculture county drowns more water than the Arizona and Nevada places draw together. And according to the University of California, agricultural and natural resources, more than 17% of the delivered irrigation water in the Imperial Valley becomes tailwater runoff, which eventually contaminates more the Salton Sea. And even though technically we're not in a drought anymore, the supply of water for the Imperial Valley as an agricultural sector can seem affected by the water that it draws from the Colorado River, since it doesn't have enough water to supply to every state that it supplies to. If something doesn't get done by a few years, the reservoirs of Lake Mel will drop to the level called dead pool. This meaning water will stop flowing through the Hoover Dam, therefore never reaching the canal which supplies our county. And citing the question that Reddy says in those systems theory, will Californians have sufficient water resources in the future? Since as climate change, water resources will be impacted by periods of droughts and flooding. And many technological improvements in water resources management for agriculture, industry, and urban uses are possibly necessary.